everyone! Today we are going to do a plant unboxing and I'm so excited because this package just came to the door. I've been waiting all day. This was actually supposed to come on Friday, but today's Thursday and I was worried about it because it's actually raining pretty hard and I was worried that this was going to come damaged because of that, but luckily it came today. So I ordered this on Saturday and they ship out their plants on Monday and Tuesday, I think, so it won't be sitting in some distribution center for over the weekend or anything like that. So I ordered on Saturday, they shipped out on Monday, and it got to me on Thursday. Okay, so I'm gonna try to open this carefully. I'm so excited! These are two plants I've been wanting for a really long time. Yeah, I randomly checked the website on Saturday and they had both of these plants that have been on my wish list for a very long time. And I try to keep it to just plants on my wish list to limit myself. Okay, so this is how it looks. Here's plant number 1. Please be okay. I learned from my unboxing at thesil.com that it can get real messy, so we'll see. Okay, yeah, there's some soil that's coming out and it's so cute. Sorry about my high-pitched squeal there, but this is my Cebu Blue, and I looked it up and it was named after Cebu in the Philippines, so I thought that was pretty cool, and it looks like it's in really good shape. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this is obviously a young plant, and then when it gets more mature, there's actually splits that'll happen in the leaves. It's in a 4-inch pot, and yeah, they seem to package it very well here. It says the name right there. So let's open this up and see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I really hope I'm not making a huge mess. Okay. They have some newspaper on top. I try so hard not to make a mess and I'm usually not that successful. Yeah, it seems to be a very healthy plant, definitely not trailing yet, so it has a little bit of growing to do, but it looks great. In certain lights, it looks like there's like a bluish hue to it. There's just very minor damage on the Cebu Blue through further inspection after I opened it up. But it is a very, very healthy plant. Here is my other plant. Oh my gosh, for a second I thought it was the same plant, but it's not. It's all good. So this is my Monstera Picanha, and I think I'm pronouncing that right. I'm not too sure, but this is what the leaves look like. And this also looks like it's in great condition. Yeah, Steve's leaves did real good. Let me check my invoice real quick to see how much. Yeah, so both of these plants were in 4-inch pots. And the Monstera is a lot bigger than the Cebu Blue. The Monstera Picanha was $16.99, which is this one. And then the Cebu Blue was $15.99, this one. And I normally don't pay for shipping. It's something I do not like to do, but I paid $10.99 for shipping. I think it's a good deal considering these plants I would never come across. I've never seen them before in person. I've only seen them on Instagram everywhere, and I've been wanting it for a very long time. So I'm just very excited to add it to my trailing wall. Oh yeah, something else it also comes with is what to do when your order arrives. So it says unpack your plants immediately, remove the packing paper, plastic, shredded paper from the soiled surface. So basically just take care of your plant when it comes. So it has those instructions if you need them. Yeah, so I think this is a great experience. Steve's leaves did real good. I'm excited about the two plants that I got because I think they're more on the rare side. I haven't seen it anywhere around me. There are a couple plants that I've gotten since I've last filmed because it's been a little bit since I filmed last. And I guess I can talk about those too. I'll call this an unboxing, but also a collective haul. So this right here is my trailing wall that I was talking about, that I'm also gonna add the 2 other pots. I think I have to add some more nails though, because there are only 3 nails at the top. And so far it looks like it's holding on real well. I haven't had any falls yet with that, so those 3 nails are doing real good holding all of those pots up. But if I add any more plants, I think I have to add some more nails just in case. So I have 2 new additions. They're both philodendrons. That one is the Brazil. It has the dark green and the lime green in the foliage, and then that's a heartleaf philodendron, and it just has the green. I just love the simplicity of this, and I love how this leaf is pretty much a combination between my neon pothos and this. And to hold it up, I have done a video on it, so you can check that out if you want, but it's basically an S-hook and a wire. But then since this one is just in a white nursery pot, I don't know if you can tell, I've done this one the same way. Because they're lighter, all I did is hook the wire like that so I could hook it on. Those 2 additions from Steve's Leaves are going to go on the wall as well. And I'll talk about one more plant to add on to this collective haul. This is my strawberries and cream syngonium, and it's just a pink syngonium. I have the greener version, but I think I was misinformed about that because I was told that if I put it in brighter light, then it will turn pink. I was told that was a pink syngonium too, but I think it's a different variety. While it has some pink in it, I don't think it'll ever turn out this pink. I also think the lighting's not doing it justice because this lighting's not very good. But this is deemed my good vibes plant, and the reason behind that is I was having a really crappy day and I went to get some ice cream with my husband, and when I lifted up the cap of this pint, it was a Haagen-Dazs non-dairy, by the way, it doesn't matter, but it had a $5 bill under it, and at first I thought it was him. It was just someone being nice, and it completely made my day, so I decided that with that money I would get a plant. And this turned out to be $5.33, but then when I went to pay for it with that $5 bill, the cashier just told me not to worry about it, so I guess this is my lucky plant now. I don't know. It's very cute. It took the pot that my other syngonium was in. This is my favorite pot ever, actually. This is one of my thrifted pots that I spray painted white. It was actually a dark green color before, and I didn't really like that. I got it just because of the design, and I knew that if I painted it, you would still see the design, so that's what I did with that. And those are all the plants. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!